Yes, steam inhalation can help with a cough. It works by thinning mucus in the lungs and trachea, making it easier to move. Cilia, tiny hair-like structures in the respiratory tract. Push out loosened mucus through coughing. If the mucus is too thick, the cilia struggle to move it, leading to persistent but ineffective coughing. Steam can ease this process, but moderation is key. Excessive exposure can damage cilia and worsen respiratory issues. To know more about steam inhalation and how it's done, please read our article, Steam Inhalation, Are You Doing It Right? Link in the description. Stay healthy, stay happy.